Hey there, I'm Micah Librant, a consultant here with Gallup. Talent mindfulness is a practice, an invitation to listen on purpose to your own greatest potential, those natural patterns of how you think, feel, and behave that lead you to experiencing success, to thriving, and having your own best version of your life. CliftonStrengths measures a presence of talent across 34 areas that we call themes. And these talent mindfulness moments help you activate your strengths. Don't try as you're listening to force an answer or write down everything you think of. Just experience the practice. You can always come back again. Strengths don't improve themselves. Greatness comes from a bit of effort, building upon who you already are. So lean in, get comfortable, and listen to your own insights that your talents have to offer. Here's your talent mindfulness for today. For now, I invite you to just be in the moment. Don't have any expectations about taking notes. Listen as fully as you possibly can. Our world is lousy with input. It is easier to receive messages from others, whether that's people, companies, politicians, products, than it is to hear our own thoughts. When was the last time that you were in your own head without other people influencing your thoughts in some way? All that input from your family to your social media feed to your email, what if it was all generating actual noise? I want you to imagine everything that has vied for your attention today having a sound to it. Some of those sounds are going to be louder than others. And chances are, if they're all playing all at the same time, it's not exactly going to be working in harmony. So I invite you now to take a deep breath in, thinking about all the noise that you've been exposed to today. Hold that breath in at the top and really hear that noise build, maybe even to a roar. As you exhale, imagine turning that volume down. You don't have to silence everything. You're not going clear to zero, but adjust that volume dial all the way until it's almost off, but not quite. First, just enjoy that silence with one more inhale. Breathe in a sense of freedom and independence. And exhale. Continue to breathe normally and allow the noise in your mind right now to be your own voice alone. Your ideas, your thoughts, your patterns. I'm going to give you 3 prompts to fill your brain with your own insight. And I'm going to challenge you to be very, very specific. What is one thing you're grateful for right now? Don't just say health or my dog. Be real specific. Over the past 10 days, what have you noticed yourself doing better than you did before? What's one thing you need to focus on today? One task that deserves your full attention, something you can accomplish so that by the time you go to sleep, you can cross it off and consider it a success. In a moment, I'll set you on your way for the rest of your day. The volume of things that are fighting for your attention is going to go back up naturally, so you don't have to touch that dial. It'll do it on its own. But your instincts have a place in this world, and you are better when you can hear them. You might find you want to focus on these prompts first thing in the morning, when you're at your most impressionable. I would even challenge you, if you're somebody who sleeps with your cell phone in your room, to think about these 3 prompts before you touch your phone when your alarm goes off. So here they are one more time. One thing you're grateful for, one thing you're doing better than before, and one thing you need to focus on. Inhale one more time. Breathe in your own power, your own resilience, your own answers. And exhale, ready to take on the rest of your day. That's your Talent Mindfulness.
And with that, we'd like to remind everyone to take full advantage of all the resources we have available on Gallup Access. Just visit gallup.com/CliftonStrengths. And while you're there, sign up for the Clifton Strengths Insight newsletter. The link is at the bottom of every page at gallup.com. For coaching, master coaching, or to become a Gallup certified strengths coach, of course, you can send us an email, coaching@gallup.com. Join us on any social platform by searching Clifton Strengths. And thanks for listening today. If you enjoyed it, please share it. With that, we'll say goodbye, everybody.